Everybody start throwing shit at me.
Yeah, you're good.
Wait, fuck you, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Watch your back, watch your back. Another car, one more car.
You could help build the only independent news outlet always on the ground with the people for as low as 16 cents a day.
Corporate media, they've been lying to us for years, and you're going straight to the people.
Flint, Michigan.
Brooklyn, New York.
Government sending one more you to the residents of Chicago.
We need as many independent voices as possible, and that's why what you guys do is so fucking important.
Covering what the corporate media covers up.
Get out of the street.
Get out of our city! Get the fuck out! Leave! Get out of our city! Get the fuck out of here! Get out of our city! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Fucking leave! Fuck you! Get the fuck out! Leave!
Get out of the
Fucking leave!
Get out of the street.
Pepper spray in my eye.
This only got, oh, there's more?
No, there's a lot more.
Get out of the street. Get out of the street. Now you can go.
That car behind it. There's a
Back it up! Back it up!
Thank you.
Get out of the fucking city. Nobody wants you here.
Move, goddammit. You need to move now.
Yeah, there's people in front of her.
Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Move out.
Move out of the way.
Fucking idiot.
Get a new job, you fucking loser! Now do it!
Hey, watch how you spray that!
He's a German immigrant! Everybody start throwing shit at me.
Yeah, you're good.
Wait, fuck you, man.
That's on video. Watch your face, motherfucker. Watch your face, motherfucker.
Watch your back. You not see what the fuck's happening? Shut up.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, exactly.
Watch your back, watch your back. Another car, one more car. They got out.
Somebody's hurt there. Pepper spray?
Your job, but like for the most part, what your job appears to be doing is terrorizing.
No, it's not terrorizing.
I have friends that are on legal visas.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not those people with legal visas. We're not bothering them. But let me ask you this: you hang out at a bar,
Yeah.
right? Everybody's drinking, having a good time. There's local cops outside waiting to catch a drunk driver, right? Are they terrorizing the bar patrons?
No, they're doing their job. No, but you're waiting for a crime like that to happen.
Crime already happened.
I wanted to
This vehicle ain't moving.
Hey, if you don't stop the TV, I will pull you out of the vehicle. I will pull you out of the vehicle. You need to move now.
Tell you again. Come on. Come on. You need to go now. Come on. Come on.
Keep going. All this work is to come away empty-handed. It feels real fucking bad. Have water! Imagine this. You flew all the way to Minneapolis. Keep going. No one wants you here.
Keep going. Hey, get back. Get back.
Settle down. Meet these people. You're fucking skinny. Like that.
Yeah, they're doing something there.
Yeah.